Today's video is all about efficiency with your drone battery management. So what would you prefer, to buy 10 batteries if you want to fly all day, or would you rather have 3 batteries? Or in this case here, you want to have 6 batteries or have 3 batteries. Now, if you have 10 batteries like you have here with the Mavic 3 intelligent batteries, you're looking at around 1,650 euros, around $1,600 or so. And then with these Matrice 4 batteries, again, they're about 220 euro each. So you're looking at well over 1,000 euros. Now, you don't have to buy that amount of batteries if you want to fly all day. Yes, you can charge on the go, but charging can be quite slow depending on how you're doing that. But there is a secret weapon for your drone operations to make sure that you can be efficient and only have 3 drone batteries and still fly for an entire day. And we're going to talk about that right now. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby guys. It's good to see you again. And today we're talking about charging your batteries and battery efficiency. Battery management is a key to your success for your daily operations. We know as well as anyone that making sure that your batteries are charged fully for every flight, if you're flying all day, now whether you're flying for the hobby or flying professionally, battery management is important. And we know that when it comes to our drone shows, when it comes to doing inspections, battery management is key to your success for a day, because if you don't have enough power, you don't have enough flights, and then that can affect your revenue. It can also affect your your reputation as well. So it's something that you want to make sure that you have. So how do we do that? Now, we only have a limited amount of batteries. Well, I just showed you we've got 10. We actually have more of those Mavic 3 batteries. And it's not efficient to carry those because it's quite heavy. It's a lot of charging. You have to wait a long time because the 100 watts are not good. But we have a jewel in the crown, and that is the DJI Power. As you can see here, we have a couple of these. We have a mini, and then we which is the new one, and then we have the DJI Power 1000 as well. This is the first version that ever came out. Now, these look like they're expensive and they're cumbersome and heavy, but for example, with the 10 batteries for the Mavic 3, now this is just an example, for the 10 batteries for the Mavic 3, it will cost you around 1,650 euros, $1,600 around, but you can survive with the DJI Power and 3 batteries for an entire day. Now, 3 batteries is going to be a hell of a lot less. Plus, let's say if you go for the DJI Power Mini, it's around $600, $500, $600, depending on where you are. That's saving you around $500 to $600. Now, that's a lot of money. So, rather than buying lots of batteries, I do suggest that you are buying one of the DJI Powers because they're very handy. Now, how we use them, yes, they do have the ports where you can plug them in and all the rest of it, but the key to this is the SDC cable, which is the software defined charging cable. Now, these are fantastic. I mean, without these, we could not function. So with your usual 100 watt charging, you can get by in about 50 minutes, 55 minutes, depending on when you stop and then you charge. Now, that's a lot of time. But when you charge with these cables, this is one for the Matrice 4 and this is for the Mavic 3, charging is around 25 minutes. So it's half of the time, which means that you can have a battery or 3 batteries which are ready. When you fly, you can charge that one, and if by chance, let's say you've got some strong winds, so your battery doesn't last that much, you have another battery to go, and then by the time that's done, you're then charging and charging all the way. So you can actually survive a full day's charge with 3 batteries and one of these cables. It's absolutely fantastic. So that means you don't have to spend too much on batteries, you don't have to spend too much money, and you have one of those powers, which means that you can do more with it. So they're really good if you're out on operations. You can use it to cook if you want to boil some water, so there's more that you can do with it, which gives you much more flexibility. So that is what I want to talk about. Now, this is not sponsored by DJI, okay? So this, you know, we buy these on our own, okay? So because, you know, we have to. But I just want to talk about this because this is an absolute jewel. It will save you money. It will make you more efficient and make your, you know, operations lighter. You're not carrying too much. But these power devices are fantastic and we cannot survive without them. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. We've got more videos on the way, as always. I may take my time because we're super busy, but I'll get back to you when I can. And let me know if you plan to buy one of those DJI Power, because they are fantastic. They're heavy, but they are worth it. So we'll see you on the next video. Fly safe.